Sea angels are a large group of small free-swimming sea slugs, not to be confused with cnidarians, classified into 6 different families. They are pelagic apistobranches in the clade Gymnosomata within the larger mollusk clade Heterobranchia. Sea angels were previously referred to as a type of pteropod. Sea angels are a type of small, swimming sea slug that belong to the order Cleones. They are found throughout the world's oceans, from the Arctic to the Antarctic. Sea angels are pelagic, meaning they spend most of their time swimming in open water rather than living on the ocean floor. In the Arctic, sea angels can be found in sea ice and in the water column from the surface to depths of up to 1,000 meters. In warmer waters, they are typically found at shallower depths. Some species of sea angels are also known to migrate vertically, swimming up to the surface at night and descending to deeper waters during the day. Sea angels are known for their strikingly beautiful appearance, which includes a range of colors depending on the species. Most sea angels are translucent or transparent, with a gelatinous body that allows light to pass through them. Some species of sea angels have a bluish or purplish tint to their bodies, while others have pink or reddish hues. Some species also have dark pigmented spots on their bodies or a darker stripe along their backs. Additionally, some sea angels have iridescent or metallic-looking patches on their bodies. Sea angels are relatively small compared to many other marine creatures. They typically range in size from about 1 to 5 centimeters in length, although some larger species may grow up to 10 centimeters in length. Their small size makes them well suited to life in the water column, where they can swim freely and avoid predators. Despite their small size, sea angels have a complex body structure that includes specialized appendages for swimming and feeding. The lifespan of sea angels is not well documented, as there has been limited research on their biology and behavior. However, it is generally believed that most species have a relatively short lifespan, likely lasting only a few months to a year or two. Like many small marine creatures, sea angels are part of the planktonic community, which is characterized by short life cycles and rapid reproduction rates. They are also known to be preyed upon by a variety of predators, which can further limit their lifespan. Sea angels are capable of swimming at relatively high speeds for their size. They use their wing-like appendages, known as parapodia, to move through the water in a graceful, undulating motion. The exact speed at which sea angels can swim varies depending on the species and the individual, as well as the environmental conditions in which they are swimming. However, some estimates suggest that sea angels can reach speeds of up to 10 centimeters per second, which is relatively fast for a small, planktonic creature. Despite their relatively high swimming speed, sea angels are still relatively slow compared to many other marine creatures. Nonetheless, their ability to move through the water quickly allows them to avoid predators and find food more efficiently, which is important for their survival in the open ocean. Sea angels are carnivorous creatures that primarily feed on other small planktonic organisms, including other sea slugs, small crustaceans, and the larvae of various marine animals. They are known to be particularly fond of sea butterflies, which are another type of pelagic sea slug. Sea angels use a specialized mouthpart called a radula to scrape and shred their prey. The radula is covered in small, sharp teeth that help the sea angel break down its food into small pieces that can be easily digested. In addition to their primary diet of planktonic organisms, sea angels are also known to feed on organic detritus, which consists of decaying plant and animal matter. This detritus can be found throughout the water column, and sea angels are able to filter it out of the water using their parapodia. The breeding pattern of sea angels varies depending on the species, but in general, they have a unique reproductive strategy compared to other marine creatures. Many species of sea angels are hermaphroditic, meaning that they possess both male and female reproductive organs. This allows them to fertilize their own eggs and produce offspring without the need for a mate. Some species also engage in mating behavior with other sea angels, using their parapodia to grasp onto each other while releasing eggs and sperm into the water. After fertilization, the eggs of sea angels hatch into free-swimming larvae known as veligas. These larvae go through several stages of development before eventually settling on the ocean floor and maturing into adult sea angels. The development and growth of sea angels is influenced by a variety of environmental factors, including water temperature, food availability, and predation pressure. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.